Hello friends, welcome to Sahu Studies. In this video, I am going to discuss about with column rename function in Scala. So, with column rename function is a transformational function and it is used to rename the existing column. So, suppose you have a column and if you have a column in a data frame and you want to rename the column to some other name. So, with the help of a with column rename function, we can able to rename an existing column in a data frame. So in this exercise, what we are going to do, here I am just importing all the required variable. I am creating this custom schema with the help of a struct type and a struct field. With the help of struct field, I am defining 6 columns and its data type. Here I am creating a variable which has all the folder label path, and in that particular folder there would be many CSV file. So this variable will hold the address of the CSV file which we are going to read with the help of a spark.read function. This CSV function we are passing this address of the CSV file which we have stored in this variable, and we are reading the CSV file with the custom schema. This custom schema we have defined here. Once this data frame gets created, what we're going to do, we're going to rename this EP salary column with the help of with column rename function to EP salary renamed column. And with the help of a display function, I am just showing the content of the data frame which gets created after renaming the AP salary to AP salary renamed column with the help of a with column renamed function. So in this exercise, what we are going to do till here, we have done I have done many times in my previous exercises. So I'm not going to do this exercise again. I will copy the code till creation of a data frame by reading the CSV file, and I will show you how we can rename AP salary column to AP salary column rename with the help of a with column rename function. So let's see how generally it works in Databricks. Let's create a notebook. Name it with column renamed. Let's connect this notebook with our currently running cluster. Let's copy the code till creation of a data frame from reading a CSV file. I'm just copying the code. This is the custom schema. Variable which holding the path till folder label. In that particular folder, there would be many CSV file, and here we are just reading the CSV file and creating the data frame. Let's run it one by one. All the required libraries are available in this notebook. This custom schema has been created successfully. This variable has folder label path where many CSV files are present. Here we are reading the CSV file with spark.read.csv function. This data, this data frame has been created successfully. Let's see the content. We can see there are 45 records. So what I am going to do, I am just going to rename this AP salary column with AP salary renamed column. So how we are going to do, we will be renaming the column with the help of with column renamed function. So let's do it. we are going to rename the column. On the data frame, we need to call with column rename function. And what is the name of the column? Name of the column is AP salary, to which and the and name of the column, new column name would be AP salary rename. Run it. What we have done, with the help of a column with column rename, I have renamed AP salary to AP salary rename. Let's see the content. We can see now the name of the column is AP salary rename. So in this video we have seen how we can rename an existing column of a data frame with the help of a with column rename function. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.